Hello students, you are doing elasticity of demand. This is chapter 4. Okay, introduction of price elasticity of demand I have discussed in previous video. Okay, page number 52, and this is page number 53. Price elasticity of demand. Types of price elasticity of demand. This is page number 53. Okay, chapter 4. You are doing it. This is most important chapter. Okay, what is how many types of price elasticity of demand? Today I am going to discuss it. First, you know very well. First is elasticity of demand. Second, inelasticity of demand. First, perfectly elasticity of demand. Second, perfectly inelasticity of demand. Third, unitary elasticity of demand. Fourth, elastic demand. Okay, and fifth, inelastic demand. Okay, there are 5 types. Okay, these 5 types we are going to learn it. Okay, please see it. First is given perfectly elastic demand. Perfectly elastic demand means what? Means perfectly elastic demand means suppose price perfectly elastic. Elastic means what? Price, this is price and this is quantity, this is y, this is x. Okay? Price is fixed. Price is fixed and quantity increases or decreases. Quantity increases or decreases. See it. Try to see it. This is price. This is price. Y, X. This is quantity. Price is fixed. Price is fixed. And quantity increases or decreases. Okay, this is Q0. Okay, this is Q1, this is Q2. Okay, price increases, price is fixed, quantity increases or decreases. This is called perfectly elastic demand. It is equal to infinitive. Elastic demand change. If I will change in the demand, then elastic means what? Demand change. Inelastic means demand not change due to change in price. Elastic means demand will not change. Demand will not change due to change in price. This is called inelastic. And elastic means demand change. Okay. Percentage change in quantity demand has no impact on price increases or decreases. If price increase or decrease, price will constant. If price will constant, then if quantity increase or decrease, if price will constant. If price is constant, then price increasing or decreasing. This is called perfectly elastic demand. Okay, please see it. Okay. Second is given perfectly inelastic demand. What is perfectly inelastic demand? Perfectly inelastic demand. This is perfectly inelastic demand. When quantity demanded of a commodity does not respond. When quantity demanded of a commodity does not respond to a change in its price, then elastic of a demand is 0. Okay? It is equal to 0. Change in price has no impact on quantity demanded. Okay, I am increasing the price and decreasing the price, then quantity is same. There is no impact. Okay, this is price and this is quantity. Okay, I am increasing the price from P0 to P1. P0 to P1. Okay, then this is quantity. This is quantity. There is no impact. I am increasing the price and this is quantity, there is no impact. This is called perfectly inelastic. means ED is equal to 0. The next and last is unitary inelastic demand. Unitary elastic demand. Unitary elastic demand. Next and last topic. What is unitary elastic demand? Unitary elastic demand. When a given percentage change in its price of a commodity cause an equivalent percentage change in the quantity demanded, then the elasticity of demand is said to be unitary, or it is equal to 1. Okay, it is equal to 1. Clear? It means what? If I have changed the demand 50%, okay, demand 50%, then price is 50%. See here how this is price and this is quantity. This is y x. Okay, this is price and this is q0, quantity. Okay, this is price. I have changed in price P0 to P1, P0 to P1. Then quantity increases P1 to Q1, means this is 50% and this is also 50% change. Okay, this is called unitary elasticity of demand. It is equal to 1. Okay, 50% price, if I will change, then quantity will also change 50%. Okay, this is called unitary elastic demand. Clear? So in this video we knew how many types of price elasticity of demand. Next video you will know next topic. Thanks for watching this video.